Are you looking for a best personal blender? In this video, we provide detailed reviews of the top 3 personal blenders to help you easily choose the perfect option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Nutri-Bullet Personal Blender. Shakes, smoothies, food prep, and frozen blending. 24 ounces, 600 watt. Dark gray. Brand, Nutri-Bullet. Color, dark gray. Special feature, compact, lightweight, portable, removable blade. Capacity, 24 fluid ounces. Healthier lifestyle. The original Nutri-Bullet has everything you need to take that first step toward a healthier lifestyle. Nutrition in no time. Effortlessly blend fruits, vegetables, liquids, and so much more into nutritious smoothies, simply and deliciously delivering key nutrients to your body. Powerful motor. 600 watts of power in the original Nutri-Bullet blender turns anything from strawberries to spinach into smooth, sippable nutrition. Essential design. Simple, intuitive design makes this a device you'll use every day. Just push, twist, and blend. Yes, it's that easy. Cleans like a dream. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. That's health without the hassle. Complete package included. Comes with 600 watt motor base, extractor blade, 24 ounce cup, to-go lid, lip ring, and recipe book for convenient blending and portability. Product built to North American and Canadian electrical standards for safe and reliable operation. Refer to user manual before use for proper operation and maintenance instructions.
Number 2. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, 700 watts, 2 16-ounce cups, QB3001SS. 700 watt base blends smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. 2 16-ounce to-go cups with spout lids, dishwasher safe. Brand Ninja. Special feature, compact, pour spout, pulse technology. Capacity, 16 fluid ounces. Pulse technology power. The powerful 700 watt push-to-blend motor base powers through everything in the cup for the best of Ninja blending as a smoothie maker, milkshake mixer. Nutrient extraction drinks. Unlock hidden vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and veggies, blending even the portions that are usually discarded for a nutritious drink. Blends frozen ingredients. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients for resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, shakes. Compact countertop design. So compact that it fits on any countertop, with intuitive push-to-blend controls, making it the go-to choice for shakes and smoothies. On-the-go convenience. Blend directly in the 16-ounce single-serve cup, attach the spout lid, and enjoy your creations wherever your day takes you. Easy cleanup. All parts are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe for added convenience and peace of mind in any kitchen.
Number 3. Ninja Nutri-Plus Personal Blender, 900 PW. 3 20-ounce cups, silver, BN301. 900 peak watt push-to-blend motor for smoothies and sauces. 3 20-ounce cups, 2 spout lids and storage lid, dishwasher safe. Ninja. Silver. Compact, 1.3 pounds. Powerful blending. The intuitive 900 peak watt push-to-blend motor base powers through everything inside the cup to give you the best of Ninja blending. Pro extractor blades assembly easily crushes ice and breaks down whole fruits and veggies to create nutrient extractions. Extracted drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. Blend to go. Blend directly in one of the 3 included 20-ounce Ninja to-go cups and then twist on a spout lid to enjoy. Twist on a storage lid to store your creations. Push to blend. Manually pulse to easily crush ice, seeds, and frozen ingredients. Dishwasher safe parts. Cups, lids, and blade assembly are top-rack dishwasher safe.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.